has begun, brought by the bright rays of the sun, shining on everyone, melting the clouds with its warmth. This wonderful day has begun. Oh, what an awesome world we've got. Morning dew on the grass, chirping of birds with its sweetness. Thank you, Lord, for this brand new day, to worship and praise you in our own little way, with a simple song, wash away our worries, and give you thanks for your blessings. They